Step 6. Required documentation. Before your Amazon seller account can be approved, you'll need to provide specific documents. Let's go through each one so you're ready. Government-issued ID. First, you'll need a valid government-issued ID, like a passport or national identity card. It must be current and clearly legible. Proof of address. Next, Amazon requires proof of your physical address, such as a utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 90 days. Bank account details. You'll need an active bank account in your name. Amazon accepts both local and international accounts, depending on the marketplace. Credit or debit card. Provide a credit or debit card that can be charged internationally. Amazon uses this to cover selling fees. Optional documents. If you're registering as a business, you may also need to submit your business license and tax registration number. Up next, Step 7. How to avoid rejections or bans. Once you've gathered all your documents, you're ready for verification. Next, we'll cover how to avoid common mistakes that can lead to account rejection.